In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Tag Manager to Typeform if you want to track form activity more effectively and send Typeform events into your Google Tag Manager setup. This process is very straightforward. The key thing you'll need before you begin is your Google Tag Manager container ID. This is the ID that starts with GTM, followed by a series of letters or numbers. Start by opening Google Tag Manager and locating your container ID. You'll usually find it near the top of your workspace, and it will look something like GTM dash followed by several characters. Go ahead and copy that ID exactly as it appears. Make sure you copy only the container ID itself, not any extra code snippets or installation instructions, because Typeform only needs the ID. Next, switch over to Typeform and open the form you want to connect. Inside your form settings, go to the Connect tab, and then look for the Analytics section. This is where Typeform lets you integrate with tracking and measurement tools, including Google Tag Manager. Once you're in Analytics, find Google Tag Manager in the list of available options and click Connect. This opens the integration field where you can link your Typeform form to your GTM container. Paste the container ID you copied earlier into the appropriate field. Take a quick moment to double check it before moving on, since even a small typo can prevent the connection from working properly. After that, save the integration. At this point, the connection between Typeform and Google Tag Manager is in place, but there's one more important step. You need to publish your form. Publishing makes sure your latest settings are active and that the tracking connection is applied to the live version of the form, not just the draft. Once the form is published, Typeform's default events will begin streaming into your GTM data layer. That means you'll be able to use those built-in events inside Google Tag Manager for tracking, triggering tags, or passing data to other analytics platforms you've already configured. As a final tip after publishing, it's a good idea to test the form yourself and check your GTM setup to confirm that events are coming through as expected. That way, you can catch any setup issues early and be confident your tracking is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully connected Google Tag Manager to Typeform and enabled default Typeform events to flow into your GTM data layer.